Cheers. Hey boss ladies, and welcome back to my channel. So aren't you excited for a new video? I don't know about you, but I'm excited. And we are back again, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to achieve these cute pigtails. It's a very quick style. Just wanted to show you guys, you know, how to optimize what you have at home to make a new style. But you already know, before we get into it, I'm gonna need you to do one thing. I'm gonna need you to do one thing. I'm gonna need you to do one thing. Subscribe to my channel. Click the like button. Comment down below. And share with your girl, okay? Because you're a boss and you're watching this video. So stay tuned. Boss ladies are back in action. Ba-dum. So, are you ready to see what's going on under there? I don't know, last time y'all seen me, I had a nice ponytail. She cute, period. Alright, now for real. So I came here to style my hair. If you need something quick, you need to just use some extra hair around the house, you just gotta get it together and get cute. If you need any of those things, you are on the right video, because we're gonna show some of those things in this video today. Got a glass of wine, and we're gonna get this bad boy started. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and get a handy dandy comb. Whatever comb you want to use. I'm just using this wide tooth comb since my hair is not detangled. It's much easier for me to part using this larger comb. And I'm just going to go ahead, as you guys see, and part my hair straight down the middle. Straight down the middle. And y'all, to be real, there's a lot of arm strength needed for natural hair. Like, you got your arms up, you gotta keep them up for a while too, trying to work on a hairstyle. It's crazy. But we're gonna move on, get some scrunchies, and separate the hair into two sections. I'm gonna just use my spray bottle and wet this one half of my hair, and I tried to get it pretty damp so it's easier to detangle. And as you can see, I'm going ahead and I'm detangling the section in smaller sections just so that it's a little easier. Surprisingly, my hair wasn't as tangled as I thought it was, but that's a good thing, you know? But you're gonna go ahead and detangle the whole entire section. Alright, moving on. Look at the shedding. Doing great. I'm gonna be using my edge booster because you already know we gotta get that part nice and defined, because she's gonna be looking nice and serious. It's already looking even better than it did before. Y'all see that? Look at that nice part. Once you're done fixing up your part, you're gonna take out those sections and you're gonna get to moisturizing. I'm using my Mango Moi butter that I like to use to moisturize my hair. I don't want something that's going to make my hair like shrink. It's already pretty shrunken. It's not in a stretch state right now. And I'm using my WETLINE gel to get all the hair on this side up into a ponytail. And Hair Struggle Chronicles Part 2. Hands was already up.
We was trying our best to brush everything up, and I got them up again. Get your hair bristle brush, ladies, and brush that hair down to get a nice slick ponytail. And then you're gonna put it all together. Make a little bobo. If your hair is longer, you can turn this into a braid. If your hair is shorter, you don't need to do anything. Just have the little ponytail out. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side. I already detangled it off camera, and I'm just showing you guys me moisturizing it. And I'm doing the exact same thing as I said previously. I really love simple styles, y'all. This actually took me longer than it may seem. Obviously, in real time, this took me maybe 30 minutes. Like this part alone. Honestly, detangling probably takes the longest. All right, so we got a style. Gonna go ahead and get these edges done. You already know I like to brush my edges down in the front of my head before I lay them down, and I'm just gonna use edge booster as I usually do. Like I said, recommend me some more edge controls, y'all. I'm actually tired of using edge booster. They be leaving my hair looking a little white now, and I guess it's just a new reaction to the product. Hair changes what it likes. But these edges look nice and sleek. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Tie your hair down. Tie it down. You guys already know, no bow at the top. And we're gonna get this finished.
Okay, ladies, I'm back. And I got cute. But we're about to finish this style. It's gonna be real easy, all right? KKK. I spent about an hour or so, about an hour with my hair tied down. This is something you could definitely do overnight. But anyway, oopsie, making a hot mess. I heard I already split the hair in two. Watch my video on the sleek bun to see how I made these little like self ponytails basically, and we're just gonna put it on.
Right here you see me putting the ponytail on the ponytail. And so I'm just gonna cut off some of those straggling ends from the previous style so that they don't look crazy. I'm gonna roll the hair, twist it, and then roll it around my small bun. I'm using some bobby pins to secure the ends of the ponytail, and I pull out little pieces because I want to give it like a messy kind of look, you know? See what I did there? It's a vibe. And I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. This was a really quick process. And you want to try to make sure your buns are just about the same size, so that it doesn't look crazy. You know, gotta look good, period.
I kind of want like a messy bun type of look, which is why I pulled out those like curls. Period. Poo. You know the fucking vibe. Why am I like this? First of all, we gotta celebrate. And y'all know how we gonna celebrate? Gonna pour another glass of wine. Just bought this bottle today. Cheers. Delicious. Your girl had a little salt, but she needed some pepper. she needed some Maggi cubes. I would have said she needed some adobo, but apparently the president of Goya supports Donald Trump. So we don't need that. We need some homemade seasonings. We need some épices, yes. So I just want to thank you so much for tuning in once again, for watching another video. You are loved, you are enough, you are beautiful, and you are a boss. And wait, since you're still here, look at that. Watch another video. You want to watch another video, so watch another video. Join the boss family. Stay tuned, baby girl. That was a bad way.